Hola amigos. Now I would like to share with you some strategies that you can use in today's assignment that will help you answer the questions that I have for you regarding la psicología de los colores or this assignment called Psicología de los Colores. So it's a reading assignment, and you guys will need to use some of the following interpretive communication skills. Make sure you have a piece of paper and something to write on, so you can refer to this later. When you're learning or using a new language, your interpretive skills will be incredibly important. Using good interpretive communication skills is how you understand or make sense of stuff in Spanish. Expectations for interpretive activities. Identify basic facts, messages, main ideas, and supporting details. Recognize basic aspects of format and style and author's purpose for writing. Engage with the written and visual text by identifying ideas, opinions, and attitudes, and by making a personal response to the text. This means you should lower the bar for yourself. You are not expected to understand everything. You won't understand most of the things. Use the strategies on the next few slides to help you figure out enough to construct some sort of meaning. More good news! You already have some interpretive skills. If I gave you a document or played a video that was entirely in Spanish, what are some strategies you could use to help figure out what the text is about? You can pause this video and write below as a comment. So in the next few slides, I will give you some strategies to use during interpretive activities. You should write the strategies down so you have them to reference later. Strategy number 1. Look at the visual clues. The settings, what people are doing, pictures, titles, charts, numbers, all of that would help. Strategy number 2. Use cognates and words you already know. So look for cognates or words you already know. Cognates are words in the target language, in our case Spanish, that sound, look, and mean the same as the words in English. Strategy number 3. Look for clues in the questions and answer choices. Strategy number 4. Make inferences logical guesses, educational guesses, or use what you do know to figure out what you don't know. Strategy number 5. If you don't know what something means, skip it, ignore it, and hope it's not important. This strategy is super important at the novice level, at our level. You won't know most of the things, so keep reading or listening until you hear something you know. Finally, interpretive activities can be intimidating, but they don't have to be. Your goal is to not cry and just figure out what is going on. If you get the main idea, some supporting details, and figure out what is going on, you are doing what you need to do. Good luck with the assignment.